The power of words. Unleashing your potential in educational lectures and workshops. Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an important aspect of public speaking and presentations, namely their application in educational lectures and workshops. Whether you're a student, an educator, or a professional, mastering these skills can truly elevate your career and personal development. The first thing to understand is that public speaking plays a pivotal role in educational lectures. As a lecturer, your words have the power to ignite curiosity, instill knowledge, and inspire students. Great public speakers can turn even the most complex topics into fascinating narratives, helping learners absorb and retain information. But remember, public speaking isn't just about speaking fluently. It's also about engaging your audience and presenting your ideas effectively. This involves creating an interactive environment, using compelling visual aids, storytelling, and encouraging questions or discussions. Workshops, like lectures, benefit immensely from good presentation skills. In a workshop, you're not just delivering information, you're facilitating a hands-on learning experience. Your role as a speaker or presenter is to guide participants through this learning journey, clarify concepts, and address queries. Effective presentation skills here mean articulating your points clearly, demonstrating procedures or concepts, and managing time efficiently to ensure every participant benefits. Remember, workshops are interactive spaces, so encouraging participation and adapting to participants' pace and understanding are crucial. Why does all this matter? Well, being a compelling public speaker or presenter can significantly enhance your credibility, influence, and impact in educational settings. Whether you're teaching a class, presenting a research paper, or leading a workshop, these skills can help you connect with your audience, convey your message, and foster a conducive learning environment. Moreover, these skills aren't confined to academic or professional settings. From presenting at community events to leading group discussions, the applications are limitless. In essence, the ability to engage, inspire, and educate through your words is a universally valuable skill, and honing it can open a myriad of opportunities. And there you have it, the critical role and numerous benefits of public speaking and presentation skills in educational lectures and workshops. By developing these skills, not only can you enhance your teaching or learning experience, but you can also impact lives, inspire minds, and truly make a difference. So, here's to your journey in mastering the art of public speaking and presentations. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.